Good afternoon all. Thanks for taking the time to tune into my channel again. This is just a quick snapshot. I got something new and I wanted to show all of you. So here we go. I got the new facelift BMW 2025 model. Today's video is just going to be a quick overview slideshow to show you what it's about, followed by maybe a week's time a full review of the vehicle. Please subscribe, look out for notifications for this new video to be uploaded.